In this video, we'll take a look at a lesson for grades K through 2. The first lesson, Going Places Safely, has the icon for internet safety. I'm going to open this. And now we're going to see an overview of the lesson, a suggested video for the lesson, the lesson is in PDF format in English, Spanish, French, or Welsh. If you use Nearpod, you can click here for more information. And if you use iPads and iBooks, you'll click here. Here we have the lesson objectives, the standards, Common Core, and ISTE, and additional lesson materials, the family tip sheet in Spanish or English, and the student activity sheet, also in English or Spanish. Here we can access the assessment and related resources at the bottom. To get the details of the lesson, click on Download PDF in your language of choice. And once it's downloaded, open it up. And here we have the lesson details. Our essential question is at the top. How do I go places safely on a computer? And our lesson overview. The learning objectives, materials and preparation, including a suggestion for the video, and family resources. On this side, we have an estimated time, which is 45 minutes for this lesson, the standards listed again, and key vocabulary. On the next page, we have the introduction, the warm-up, and they suggest about 5 minutes for the warm-up. These lessons are very scripted. They give you questions to ask, and they also give you suggestions for what the students might respond or how they might respond. Here's the first part of the lesson, and they suggest about 10 minutes for this. And here's where you can see to show the video. Here's the second part, and they suggest about 10 minutes for this as well. Again, it's very scripted. Just work your way through the lesson. The third part of the video is about 15 minutes. And there's a read aloud in this part. And then the closing is suggested about 5 minutes. And again, you just need to read the questions and then look for the responses that they list here. Here we have the printable student worksheets that go with the lesson and the assessment. And here's the teacher version of the assessment. And that's it. These are printable again, so you can teach these lessons without using any student devices.